6 weeks, that was.
First thing you noticed when you got back.
We have a roof and
Look
walls.
how high it
external
is.
walls. It's a big week.
It is.
There's 2 rooms, a wet room and a bedroom.
OK, what's the game plan?
Focus.
Jimmy's focused.
What we're trying to achieve is exactly what a 50s bathroom would have looked like back then,
Yeah.
but with a beautiful modern touch.
How do you do that?
We've used tile for colour, but I've never used paint for colour.
What colour?
Fuzzy peach.
Fuzzy peach, I like it.
Yeah.
Fuzzy peach?
You know what the peach emoji means?
Just don't.
You don't want a dirty, fuzzy peach.
Don't.
Heard you had a big bath put in.
142 kilo stone bath.
And finished with time to spare.
Finished at 7 p.m. on Saturday night.
So nervous about the colour. It all works, but I'm worried it's going to be too bold. I don't know.
Into the bedroom first, Darren Palmer. Boom! This is unbelievably bright and colourful and retro.
Do you know what? I reckon 5 or 6 weeks in isolation equals extreme creativity.
Yeah.
The Graphico mural is a really stunning choice.
It's still got overtones of mid-century style in here.
And it ties in so well with the other rooms in the house. Darren was thinking about just how hard this room would have been to design around that window.
What they've done works perfectly. The desk fits into the section of wall. The shelves make the wall not look like it's bare. The little bench actually gives you a perfect place to sit and look out onto the backyard.
And with this huge wardrobe, this is like another master bedroom for the house.
There are a lot of doors in here. Wow, you've got hanging,
I've got hangers as well.
shelves, I've got drawers, you've got shelves.
The lighting plan is great and well thought out.
They've got double lights over the side tables, and then that would spill over into the desk. They've got a little light there.
Styling-wise, it is very strong also, considered and appropriate.
That is such a perfect little work-at-home desk setup. And let's be clear, working at home has become more important than ever.
Neil said this is a room that just wraps itself around you.
It's welcoming.
Yeah.
I want to stay in this room. I want to sleep in this room.
One thing all the judges agreed on is they could not wait to see the bathroom that went with this bedroom.
Now that is a colour scheme.
I love it.
Neil said this is fluoro peach in here.
And if anyone had said to me, you'll walk into a bathroom one day painted fluoro peach and you will love it, I would have laughed.
I am laughing.
This is the high vis of bathrooms. I mean, let's be clear. This is...
No. It's the Donald Trump of bathrooms.
No, how rude.
Everyone immediately looks orange.
Is it actually changing your skin tone in the mirror?
I don't think it's giving me a true skin tone, no.
This colour is just not appropriate for a bathroom where you need to look in the mirror and put on makeup because you're going to come out looking like the President of the United States.
It's polarising. I mean, it's a very, very brave choice. I mean, would I want this in my own bathroom? No, I wouldn't.
Shona just thinks you need to be careful that you don't go too far where you start to alienate any buyers.
Remember, at the end of the day, this is not your house. You are doing this to get the best possible price, and be careful by going too niche.
Shona did love lots in the room.
The terrazzo look tile. We've got that beautiful shower there with the niche, that gorgeous bath with that beautiful fine edge. It's so elegant. We've got this hydronic towel rack here, a beautiful vanity, which I think's really nice. Gorgeous brass taps, really subtle toilet there that you wouldn't even know that's there. But mainly the architectural structure of this shape. Like, how incredible is that roof?
OK, that's it.
Done.